Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the technology of participation, change in corporate culture, the example of quality improvement. Impact of technology is improving organizational design, culture, and employee engagement. It seems to impact all industries in a variety of ways. Technological advancement and digital transformation are providing leaders and managers opportunities to tackle some of the workplace most challenging and important initiatives. Culture and engagement being at the top of the list. By the nature of changing the business, changing the strategy, and getting the culture of facilitate and drive that change, they are embracing newer technology in and of themselves to be the mechanism of the culture shift. In the recent past, manufacturers were stunned at the rate of innovation. It rattled them with companies trying to keep up with the pace, spending huge amounts of money to redo, modernize, and stay on the top. Over time, manufacturers tried to modernize by thinking of technology as a replacement for their workforce. And this was where manufacturing got into trouble, establishing a culture, reinforcing it with the technology. An organization's culture is being set and reset every day to the extent that you want certain principles to be bedrock of your organizational culture. That means you have to make them available to people every time. Technology offers an opportunity to make sure that the organization's intention for the kind of culture it wants are communicated with regularity. When Capital One wanted to increase collaboration both within teams and between teams, it began using Slack, a communication and collaboration software platform, in its tech department, enabling employees to have real-time interaction to exchange code and share ideas, recommendations, and presentations. Companies, large and small, are adopting tech tools to support their culture. Buffer, a social media management platform, already used Slack for communication, but also uses a transparency dashboard as a hub to provide details on employees' salaries, pricing, revenue, fundraising, and diversity. There is a time for change. Technology is most often used to change a culture or sustain and reinforce a culture when an organization is at a turning point. Mergers are divestitures, a new CEO coming on board, difficulty attracting or retaining employees, or a need to incorporate non-traditional employees into the organization may trigger the need to consciously develop the culture. But companies cannot always update entire HR platforms. Instead, they may use a specific piece to address the biggest cultural pain points. Tech tools for providing Tech tools for improving culture fall into three main areas such as performance management, employee recognition, or listening through feedback. Although technology is not always necessary to attain these improvements in culture, it ultimately be helpful. Using the right tools effectively. Company initiatives can fail when the tools used don't recognize true human behavior. Cautions. Drawing on his background as a behavior economist, Brinbaum says that HR initiatives are frequently designed for the way we wish people were, not the way they truly are. He helps build software tools that incorporate behavioral economics to steer people towards positive behavior. Whether it is using new knowledge on how the brain learns, For example, short frequent training, or how long it takes to create buy-in from users before they will accept recommendations, or how framing a choice can influence the employee to truly act in self-interest. Brigham says that understanding our inherent predictable irrationality will help create tech tools that are more effective in driving cultural change. The health of company's culture is difficult to measure, but employees' engagement is necessary. For a positive employee experience, tech tools are a key part of managing an era of coming change. The percentage of employee participating in the program and the feedback they are providing, along with their statistics like change in turnover and absentees, are in the achievement of business objectives are indications of whether a company is making progress. So we can come to the technological environment. In the past few decades, technology has made great strides. It has affected every aspect of our lives, from how we shop to how we travel to how we communicate. Technology has also greatly affected business around the world. Let us take a look at the impact of technological environment on a firm. Before it, we were having the look on the HR perspective, but now we have to look here at the environment of the firm as a whole. Here we are taking the macro aspect of the technology. In before this, we were discussing about the micro aspect of the technology. So coming on the micro aspect of the technology, technological environment refers to the state of science and technology in the country and related aspects such as rate of technological progress, institutional arrangements for development and application of new technology, etc. According to well-known economist J.K. Galbraith, technology means systematic application of scientific or other organized knowledge to practical tasks. Technology comprises of both machines means hard technology and scientific thinking means soft technology used to solve problems and promote progress. It consists of not only knowledge and methods required to carry on and improve production and distribution of goods and services, but also entrepreneurial expertise and professional know-how. Technology includes inventions and innovations. The main features of technological environment are as follows. Technological environment is a component of macro or indirect action environment. Technological environment change very fast. Technological environment affects the manner in which the resources of the economy are converted into output. Technological environment is self-reinforcing, and invention in one place leads to a sequence of inventions in other place. Factors of technological environment are full of technological change, opportunities from new innovations, a risk of technological environment, the role of research and development. So, matters to be considered while assessing the technological environment are what production technology and information technology does the company employ, how important is technology to the firm, is there an external technology that the company depends on? What is the reliability of such technology? What has been the extent of investment in technology? Is the investment in the design or the implementation or the maintenance? How much have other competitors in the same industry invested in their technologies? Which technological investments should be withdrawn or limited? What are the additional technological requirements to meet with the goals and visions of the company, both in the short and in long run?